my inspo. It's scrap paper from Michael's. So that's the pattern. So it's just subtle and it's kind of, you know, pretty. Things you will need. Dry decks. Spackling for the wall. Well, as you can see, it's soft. This is normally pink and it dries white basically. How you create the brick pattern, it's basically a sponge from the dollar store. I would literally, well, rip pieces of it just like that. You can do it sporadically, and then it just creates this gaps. And so when you stamp it, that area will be left blank, and it has pores, so it kind of gives you a cute brick pattern. So these are the two colors, the granite gray and the silver screen, basically. Those are the two that was used. The drifting snow, there it is what I used for the wall. This is the before of the office space with paint splashes all over, as I was testing to see what color I liked, which I like none. So you take the screws off the wall, and then I use dry decks to patch the wall with a spatula. It's normally pink and it would turn white basically when it dries. So this is what it's looking like this morning. That's not bad. I actually like it. You see the color difference between that and that? So it's like super white and then, well, eggshell off-white. I'm just showing you the example on a background, which I'm creating here. It's basically granite gray as a base and silver screen as the brick pattern on this, and it is the reverse on my wall. So basically, you dab the paint onto the sponge, take most of it off, as I didn't want it to be so saturated, and then go back in and lay it down. Time-lapse this so you can see this quicker. I also had a little visitor, my nephew, joining me here. He made it entertaining, what can I say? I had to include him.
Hello.
He was not gonna have it any other way.
Hello everyone, it's me. We're in the video, so we're waiting for my aunt to finish this portrait.
The brick wall.
Yeah, the brick wall. Whatever it's called.
Remember how we went? Yeah, you press. That's it. Good. Lift. And then to the next one. Make sure it's lined. Yeah. Press. Beautiful. That's it. That's enough, baby. Lift. And then down. This one you're gonna... Wait. You gotta make sure it doesn't... Okay, this one you're gonna press and then drag. Boop. And then boop.
Hello, it isn't me, my face. So I am the one and only.
So I kind of like it. There we go. Brick. And that's what it's looking like outside while I'm painting. It dries pretty fast, so that's it drying outside. So these are all the frames that I had prepared. This was a brown color frame, but I had painted it white. So once you're ready, you drill the wall. Of course I didn't do this. I had my other half do it. He's way better at this. I just tell him the layout I want and he makes it happen. Of course there's a mess before everything gets done. But what fun is it if it isn't, right? Another DIY project basically. This is a 16 by 20. I have placed the months up here so you can see the full year right off the top, and then Saturday to Sunday with just the front letter, and then it's 7 across and 5 down. Gives you lots of space to write. The squares are really big, literally big. And then I've left space up here on the top to write a quote or a year. And this is something you can pop into a 16 by 20 frame and then use a dry eraser marker to write with. Links of the products I used will be tagged below. Take a peek if you are interested to know what I used. And smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!